You've got a great product idea. You're ready to dive into the world of e-commerce. But hold on. Before you jump ship and invest thousands, let's talk about Shopify review. Is it really the golden ticket to online success? Let's talk about Shopify. What is Shopify? Shopify is a powerful, user-friendly platform that empowers anyone to start, manage, and grow their own online store. It's like having a virtual shop assistant that handles everything from product listings to customer checkout. Why Shopify? Shopify has become a global leader in e-commerce for a reason. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive features make it a top choice for both beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or high-end fashion, Shopify can help you bring your business to life. Click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify Days free trial. Shopify key features: product management. Easily add, edit, and organize your products. Showcase stunning product images, detailed descriptions, and multiple variants, like size, color, or material. Visual. Display a clean, organized product catalog with clear images and descriptions. Inventory tracking. Keep tabs on your stock levels with real-time updates. Avoid overselling and manage low stock alerts effortlessly. Visual. Show a dashboard with product images, stock levels, and low stock notifications. Shipping. Calculate shipping rates, generate shipping labels, and track orders with ease. Offer various shipping options to meet customer preferences. Visual. Show a map with a package being delivered, along with tracking information and delivery status updates. Is Shopify right for you? Ideal users. Shopify is a versatile platform that caters to a wide range of entrepreneurs. It's particularly well suited for small to medium-sized businesses. Shopify offers plans and features that scale with your business growth. Beginners. Its user-friendly interface and extensive resources make it ideal for those new to e-commerce. Dropshippers. Shopify integrates seamlessly with dropshipping apps, allowing you to sell products without holding inventory. Physical retailers. Expand your reach online by creating a digital storefront for your brick-and-mortar business. Artists and crafters. Showcase and sell your unique products with ease. Successful Shopify stores. Shopify has powered countless successful businesses across various industries. Here are a few examples. Fashion and apparel. From high-end boutiques to trendy streetwear brands, Shopify is a popular choice. Electronics and gadgets. Many tech-focused stores rely on Shopify for its flexibility and scalability. Home decor and furniture. Shopify's ability to showcase visually appealing products makes it a great fit for this niche. Health and wellness. Businesses selling supplements, skincare, or fitness products often thrive on Shopify. Print on demand. Shopify's integration with print-on-demand services allows for easy customization and fulfillment. By understanding your business goals and target audience, you can determine if Shopify is the right platform to help you achieve success. Shopify Pros. User-friendly interface. Shopify has earned a reputation for its intuitive design. Even those with limited tech expertise can quickly grasp the basics and start building their online store. The platform's clean layout and straightforward navigation make it a joy to use. App Store. One of Shopify's greatest strengths is its vast App Store. With thousands of apps available, you can effortlessly enhance your store's functionality to match your specific needs. From marketing and sales tools to shipping and customer support solutions, the options are nearly endless. Customer support. Shopify offers reliable customer support through various channels, including email, live chat, and phone. While I haven't personally experienced their support, many users praise Shopify for its helpful and responsive agents. Shopify Cons. Cost. While Shopify offers a variety of plans, it's essential to consider the overall cost. Apart from the monthly subscription, you'll also incur transaction fees, domain costs, and potentially app subscription fees. For larger businesses, these costs can add up quickly. If you're looking for a powerful and flexible e-commerce solution that can grow with your business, Shopify is definitely worth considering. What do you think? Have you used Shopify before? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. For more information and to get started, check out Shopify 30 days free trial in the link in the description below of this video. If you have any questions, leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the Shopify review.